So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add money from your TD bank account on PayPal. So once PayPal's opened up, go to the top and press on PayPal balance, then press on add money. Now type in the amount of money that you want to add from your TD bank account. So for example, if you wanted to add $25, I would press $25 and where it says choose a way to add funds, select link a bank account. Once you're here under popular banks, you can go TD Bank, EasyWeb, or you can go to the top here, search up TD, do the exact same thing and press on it. It'll then redirect you to this login page right here, where once it loads, you can go ahead and sign into your TD bank account, agree and link, and then send the money over that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to add money from your TD bank account on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.